The concept of remote work has been growing in popularity over the past few years, and for good reason. It offers the flexibility to work from anywhere, at any time, and allows individuals to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind. But what's even more appealing is the potential to earn a decent income, upwards of $40 an hour, without any prior experience. A common misconception that people have when it comes to high-paying remote jobs is that they require extensive experience or specialized skills. Many think that you need to be a programmer or have a degree in a specific field to land a well-paying remote job. But the truth is, that's not always the case. There are many remote job opportunities available that don't require years of experience or a specific skill set. You might be surprised at the types of jobs that are available and the companies that are willing to hire individuals who are eager to learn. For example, many companies are looking for virtual assistants who can help them with administrative tasks, such as email management, calendar organization, and data entry. These types of jobs don't require any specific experience, just a willingness to learn and a strong work ethic. Similarly, there are many customer service jobs available that can be done remotely, and these jobs often involve working with customers to resolve issues or answer questions. Again, no prior experience is necessary, just a positive attitude and good communication skills. Another common misconception is that high-paying remote jobs are only available to those who are tech-savvy. While it's true that some remote jobs do require technical skills, many others don't. For instance, freelance writing is a great example of a remote job that can pay well but doesn't require any technical expertise. As a freelance writer, you can write articles, blog posts, or even entire books, all from the comfort of your own home. What's more, many companies are willing to provide training and support to help you get started in your new remote job. So even if you don't have any experience, you can still learn and grow with the company. And who knows, you might discover a new passion or talent that you never knew you had. One of the most inspiring stories I've come across is of someone who started earning over $40 an hour as a virtual assistant without any prior experience. She started by taking online courses to learn the basics of virtual assistants and then began applying to job postings online. Within a few weeks, she landed her first client and was able to work with them to provide administrative support. As she gained more experience, she was able to increase her hourly rate and eventually started earning over $40 an hour. Her success story is a testament to the fact that it's possible to find lucrative remote work, even without any experience. The key takeaway from today's video is that finding remote work that pays over $40 an hour is possible, even without any prior experience. By being open-minded, willing to learn, and proactive in your job search, you can land a high-paying remote job that fits your skills and interests. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your thoughts on remote work opportunities, and have you had any experiences with finding high-paying remote jobs? Be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and insights on finding remote work that fits your lifestyle.